Unlike the people behind a desk, we're glad you don't fit the mold. Because at Velex, we only go shoulder to shoulder with bold ones like you. The ones who see possibility in pushing your limits. We're Velex, and we believe there's honor in the adventure. On the horizon, a new world of 5G technology has opened companies around the globe to powerful potential. That's potential you can tap into. At Velex, we're training new and veteran climbers to deploy 5G for the smart economy. You take the lead in charting your path, and we provide safety and guidance along the way. When you're ready to take your career to new heights, join us and become the driving force behind today's technological rollout.
Honestly, one of my favorite experiences at Velex has been watching the team around me grow. I've seen these men and women do things that nobody could imagine was possible. It's their commitment and dedication. That is my favorite experience here at Velex.
We're building strong futures, training proud teams in the field, equipping reliable leaders in the community and at the dinner table. Where you are is your ground level. It's time to raise your sights to something higher. Be a part of the future of technology and build your career with Velex.